This is going to be my review of the Ultra MicroSDHC. This is going to be my review of the SANDISK. This is going to be my review of the SANDISK Ultra memory card, SD card. Now, I always buy SANDISK. I think we all do. It's probably one of the most popular memory cards out there. We all use them on our cell phones and our cameras. Now, right over here, this is one that I just bought a couple weeks ago. This is a 64 gigabyte. And these things come with an adapter, so if you have a cell phone that only takes the small memory thing, then you use this, and they come with an adapter. I'll show you when the adapter is used, but all you do is you push the memory thing into the adapter, and then you seat the adapter into whatever you need it for. So this is the 32, you just saw the 64 gigabyte. This is the 32 gigabyte. Most of these are about the same nowadays. You want to get one that is a class, I believe it's a class 10. At the top over there you see the 10, so it's full HD video, 10, SanDisk memory zone app, easily manage your photos. I don't know what that's about. Probably some info. They usually give you an app if you want to use it. But if you have an old phone or an old camera, you don't need a class 10, but almost everything being sold nowadays is a class 10. The reason you want a class 10 is because when you snap a bunch of HD photos, you need a memory card that's going to be able to write extremely fast. It's going to allow the data to be written to it extremely quickly. Did that sound right? Extremely quickly? Very fast. And that's where the class 10 comes in. If you get something like a class 4, these older things, it's not going to do as good. Now, I've got a camera here that I'm going to be doing a review on soon. Let me press in. This is a 32 gigabyte memory card. Wow, it's also an SD. I mean, look at this. Let's see what we have now. Let me read it. There we go. You see the 10, so it's a number 10 32 gigabyte SanDisk, but look at the difference here. This might be the same. I could be being tricked a little bit. Speed up to 80 megabytes per second. Speed up to 45 megabytes per second. So you want to look for your speed when you're shopping around for these things. And again, you want to make sure that it's a class 10, 10, and 10. And I go with SanDisk. I've never had any problem with any of the memory cards. I have, what do I have, like four video cameras and a couple digital cameras. All of them are using SanDisk cards. You buy them online. You can get them at, I think, Sam's or Costco, Amazon, and they're just the main brand that people are buying. You might be able to get off-brands or other brands that are not as expensive, and they might work just as good. But I'm really happy with the SanDisk, and like I was showing you, they all come with the adapter in case you need it for an older style like this camera. This camera will not accept the small disk. It needs the adapter. And I didn't know. I thought at the time when I bought this, well, this was in my another camera. This was on an old digital camera, and all I had left was a 4 gigabyte that wasn't going to work on this trail camera. So I went out and I bought the 32 gigabyte, and it is faster. And they're not that expensive, so you definitely want to buy them. Thanks for watching my videos. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, or a like. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Make sure you watch all my other awesome videos. Thank you.